adjacent. They're folded size. And then opening with all of them is relatively simple. Joolz button pincher, lift up, silver cross, button pincher, lift up. And then with the yo-yo, I have a tendency to like put it on myself, undo the bottom, just let it open. This will take more finesse for sure, but it's worth it for the push. Okay, now we'll show you how these all work with their bassinets on them, carry cots, which are sold separately, through the magic of television. And keep in mind, I have how-to videos on how to remove the fabric from any of these. We will link those at the bottom. Stay tuned. We'll show you in 3, 2, 1.